Hey everyone, I am Sudeep. In this video, we will learn how to use this find command to retrieve the documents from the collection. In the previous video, we have created the student database and also inserted some students document in the students collection. To retrieve all the students data, we write the command like db.collections.find. This will return all the students document. Open the MongoDB shell and connect to the student database. Then write the command db.collection name, that is students.find. Press enter. This will retrieve all the students data from the students collection. Next query. Fetch students data who are studying civil engineering. To retrieve all the documents from students collection who are studying civil engineering, find command will take one condition parameter. This will filter out the students document. In the students document, we have a field called major, which will be set to civil engineering. We have to filter the students document based on this field. So scroll down, db dot, first let me clear this, db dot students dot find and pass the condition, field name major and the value will be civil engineering, and just press enter. In the result, you can see it is an array of student document who is pursuing the civil engineering. Next query. Fetch the student names who are studying civil engineering. In the last query, when we executed the find with the condition, it returned all the fields of the student document. Now we have to filter out the student name field. To do this, we have to pass one more parameter called projection. Previous query, we retrieved all the students document who is studying the civil engineering by passing one condition major as civil engineering. To get only student names who is studying civil engineering, we have to pass one more parameter called projection. In this command, after this condition, just add one comma, one object. Inside this, mention the field name that you want in the result. We want student name. And if the value is 1, that will be included in the result. If value is 0, it will be excluded. So we want only student name, so we will keep it 1 and then press enter. Here you can see it returns the array of student names along with the object ID. So this will be included default, so we have to remove this underscore ID. So just add underscore ID colon 0. In the result, we can see each document will hold only one field, that is student name. Next query. Fetch all the student names from the student collections. Here we don't have a condition, but we have a projection for student names. So how can we write these queries? To write these queries, db.collection.find. In MongoDB, whenever we want to include projection, the condition part is must. So in this case, we don't have a condition, so I will put empty braces and then projection. Let's run the query. In the output, we can see array of student documents with student name field only.